Unlock your potential with a comprehensive suite of investing tools and expert education with GammaEdge. Start your free 14-day trial today.
Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here. Quick substitution for Michael for the pre-market session. So just going to go over the dashboards real quick for y'all. I posted comments in the SPX channel, but thought you guys like videos, so I'll do one of these as well. Getting straight to it, here we have the full complex of the SPX PM settled. You can see we're in the money, out of the money, put dominated all the way up and down the chain. I got the transition zone in trans up here at 44.75, and then we have positive transition zone up here at 4,500. We're a good ways away from that right now. To the downside, 4,400 key strike to the downside, both delta and gamma. On the way down there, we got 44.25 to the upside. What is that? 44.50. One thing, and then again, we got some stuff starting to build down here at 43.50, 4,300. So I want to keep that in mind, see if those continue to build out throughout the week. One thing to keep in mind, I noted is, Paul's always talking about how far the spot is stretched from transition. I'm not saying that we are getting stretched right now. However, if you get down to 4,300, we don't see transition to shift down with spot price. That is something important to keep in note. Again, then as we always say, keep in mind vol D and vol U command, see how that's building out throughout the day. Looking at 0DT specifically, again, just a ton of red here, 4,400 key strike to the downside. Then we do have stuff building out below that. Keep that in mind. To the upside, really not a ton, 44.70 key strike here. Again, not a ton else to say here. A lot of red, looking at the one DTE 44.25 strike, key strike, 44.70 key strike there. There's key strikes in the 0DT as well. Transition quite a ways above from where we are right now. Looking at the remainder of the week, levels really not vastly much different picture from key levels that we have full complex 0DT, and now this 4,500 key strike to the upside, that's P trans on the full complex. 4,400 key strike to the downside, 44.50, 44.25 again, kind of key minor goalposts within the bigger picture, all important to keep in mind. One thing I will note, charm effects do have a lot of in the money puts. If those are not realized, just the impacts of that, keep in mind that the charm command, I honestly have not looked at it recently, the magnitude and whatnot, but as soon as market opens, I will be looking at that. Moving on to the full, so this is the full AM and PM SPX complex. Candidly, not a huge different picture. We do have some in the money calls, although that's been significantly reduced from what we did see last week and earlier this week. No out of the money calls that we can see at all out of the money puts. Again, key levels 44.50, 44.25, 4,400. Transition zone on this is the same as it is on the SPXP complex. 4,500 is P trans, 44.85, 44.90 in trans on that as well. So that is the dashboards for you. Going over tick real quick. Here we have the US tick again. Long-term ribbons starting to fully invert to the downside. It's kind of long-term bearish signal. Cumulative tick itself. Railroad tracks lower lows, lower highs there. Filtered tick. Again, a lot of selling yesterday. New lows continue to outpace new highs. Moving over to the ARCX model. Here we have the cumulative tick trending lower again. Longer term moving average movement itself continuing to invert and head lower. So net ticks not looking constructive at all. Our PVI charts again showing a lot of red out there. So with that, best of luck out there today. I will be on throughout the day. Mike will be on as well. So any questions, let us know. Talk to y'all later. Bye.